CNNj is a Japanese version of CNN distributed by Japan Cable Television. CNNj is tailored specifically for a Japanese audience, with 119 hours per week of translation service. The channel used to broadcast a mixture of CNN International and CNN US, but since 2008, CNNj has the same schedule as CNN International in the rest of Asia and the world. Starting late 2010, the domestic version CNN is available in high definition to viewers in Japan under the name of CNN US HD. If this is a one-off case or the beginning of an international rollout of CNN HD with more countries to come is unclear. References. External links. Official website. CNN US HD, Japanese. CNN US HD, English.